going to show one way I think you could play this Viagra Boy song. It's called I Feel Alive. I would say this is in like B flat, standard tuning. I feel so bad. Then, so just kind of riffing mostly on that B flat, and then punctuate it with E flat. Then it seems like then they go to the G sharp. That's for the verses. And you could bend those chords to make them kind of off key. If you got a whammy bar, you could use that. Because it's very, very loose. This is a very loose feeling. Okay, so you bend the chords, and then during the chorus, or we could probably more accurately call it the refrain. Jesus Christ, I feel alive. What they do is first, this is when he's saying I feel alive. So it kind of, instead of going to this E flat at that refrain where he's saying I feel alive, just last hour I thought I was gonna die, you could go just I feel alive, just 2 hours ago I thought I would die. Okay, you go B flat and then back to the you go G sharp, back to the B flat, then to F. And that's pretty much the whole song. Alright? Have fun playing it. Be careful out there. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.